Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to family share on YouTube TV. So first, you actually need to set up your Google Family group because YouTube TV uses Google Family Sharing. So go to families.google.com, okay, and sign in. And then tap on Create Family Group. You need to invite up to 5 members using their Gmail addresses, and they'll need to accept the invite to join your group. And then just make sure the family manager is the one who subscribes to YouTube TV. Okay? Go to tv.youtube.com and sign up or log in. Use the same Google account that created the family group. And then what you need to do is enable the family sharing in YouTube TV. So go to the YouTube TV settings, click on family sharing, toggle the option on to share with your family group. Okay, and each family member can now sign in with their own Google account. So go to, tv.youtube.com or open the YouTube TV app, and they'll basically get access to your shared subscription with their own DVR, their own preferences, and their own watch history. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.